connect and please confirm that you are in the test. So try all to go to and do the test.
Can you believe I copied down the question correctly and I still managed to write it wrong? How? How did this happen? How is it I got from 245 to 254? How does this make any sense? And I only realized this now. And we couldn't go back in the test. Okay, so today I finished my lab quiz. I just have to hope that I get a good grade on it. I think I did. I'm pretty sure I passed, but so I can cross this out, which will be very satisfying. Alright, so this is finished. My next assignment is on Monday. I have to finish an individual piece for my psychology class. I'm gonna do that today. And then my next one will be the 23rd. I have a test to study for and my first midterm exam to study for. This is actually not true. I don't know why I have this, but I'm just gonna put an asterisk just in case. You can hear my fan. My skin looks so clean and it's because of this light. And I look so rare because I've been inside for 2 months. I have a lab in about 15 minutes or so, so I'm gonna try and eat this quickly, watch one YouTube video, and then get ready for that.
It's not doing any smart analysis or anything. It's just doing as it tells you, as you tell the program. So you want to log your data, and it does it for you.
I'm going to just do a log transformation of the data and see if that solves the problem. Any questions? Yes. Okay, but I still agree that, having a vision.
I'm not the one who makes, so I can do without the PowerPoint. Wow. So that's my sad story for today. I'm sorry that
I just got back a grade. My heart is beating so fast. Oh my gosh. Why do we have so many quizzes? So I have one open today at 6. What time is it? Oh my gosh. Thank you, Jesus. So I washed and blow dried my hair yesterday. And now I just kindly twist them and just grease my hair and everything and oil it and moisturize it. So I'm gonna attempt to plait my hair into a mohawk. I may have to do rubber bands for like the sides of my hair, but we're gonna see how well I get it into a mohawk. So this mohawk didn't work out, so I'm gonna plait my entire head this small and see what happens. I have officially finished my entire head in singles. Thank you so much. It's exciting. So I'm not sure why it does this as well, but I'm very happy that I'm finished. And I will not be taking these out for a very long time.
She is lying.
Public. Alrighty, folks. Let's see if it's live. Is it live? I can't tell if it's live.
Yes.
Oh no.
Well, it just pop up on my notifications.
Oh my goodness. So for one of my assignments, we have to interview 2 generations above us about like diet. And then for this one now, talk about how petroleum and plastics and stuff were used back then.
Adobe design from with the board.
Uh-huh.
Right. So And that was a comb we used to call it Afro pick because people used to use Afro was a very popular hairstyle at the time.
Yeah.
Right? So you had Afro. You had to call it Afro pick. Okay.
Yay. Okay.
Bing.
Bye-bye.
Bye, the girl.
Bye-bye.
Bye, the girl.
My hair is finished. I took out all the twists from my hair and I just need to comb it out.
Remember, this is not an open book test, so you are not allowed to go through internet, you are not allowed to use your notes, use your
Brain.
your brain up for internet for the answer and for checking.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Can you tell me why I studied for this test?